Hello everyone, ATM here, and welcome to something a bit different. This is a development log for a program I've been developing off and on for the past couple weeks called Neutrasoft Scholar. Now I hear you, but ATM, this isn't a video game. And you're right, it isn't, and I know that. But this is in addition to the normal upload we usually have, so I figured, hey, maybe some people on the channel might be interested. I recorded it anyway, so might as well post it here. Anyway, if you want to follow the project, I have linked the project GitHub, the source code, and the development blog in the description. Well, let's roll the log. Hello, this is a development devlog of the current working application. The current implemented features are the login form, the student schedule, the teacher attendance, and the teacher schedule. So first, start the application, and you get a login form where you can choose between a teacher and a student, and then you can submit a username and passcode. So I'm going to log in as a student. This is hooked up to a database with kind of prefab data. So we are going to sign in as Matthew Taylor. Yeah, as a student. He's a student. And here you go. So you're greeted with this main page. This main page will soon have information on this homepage relating to you as a student. So let's go to the schedule of Matthew Taylor. So we can see a 4-column chart here. We have periods, teachers, it is sortable, periods, teachers, and then subjects. And then you can also see the room number of the teacher. And then these are all sortable. These is obviously numerical. This is alphabetical here, and then a numerical. So if you want to see, I guess, room numbers, you can do that. Okay, so now we're going to exit and look at the currently implemented teacher functionality of the program. So we are going to sign in as Michael Robinson. This is me copying some data from my other monitor. And so this is Michael Robinson, as you see, teacher. First, we're going to go to schedule, and in this case, you can see all of your periods, you can see your students, and you can see their gender. Pretty simple. And this would be scrollable. If you had more students than the list can supply, obviously. Again, homepage hasn't been really implemented. So these are all different forms. As you see, the title up here changes every time I click. Okay, next we're going to go to attendance. So this is the attendance for, in this case, Sunday, July 22nd, 2018. So in this case, let's say we want to submit attendance for period 1. So let's say they were tardy, they were absent, they were also tardy, and they were tardy. Okay, and we're gonna click submit, and we see the attendance has been logged for this period. And if we hit OK, then there you go. It takes us back to this. So now if I try to go to period 1 again, it's gonna say attendance for this class has already been submitted. It's kind of a placeholder. What we're gonna do, we're gonna either implement a view functionality, or there's going to be an edit functionality where you can edit the attendance you've already submitted. But for now, you can not submit or edit attendance that you've already submitted. So that's period. Yeah, so it doesn't matter what I do. It is not going to let me click that. So now, if I go to, let's say period 3 this time, you'll notice, I didn't point this out the first time, but the checkboxes, even though they're checkboxes, which means you can select multiple, you can only get one per category. You can uncheck them if you if you so desire. But if you do uncheck them, it is going to, you did not select an attendance state, and you need to go back in and check it. And yet, look, it's just not going to let you, it's not going to let you uncheck. And by default, they're all present. So let's just mark all these people present. So now if we go to period 3, and again, already submitted. Well, that is the current functionality of Neutrasoft Scholar, and more will be probably implemented throughout the week. Also, we have an exit button up here. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that development log, and if you would like to see more of this content, I can certainly do it because I have a ton of programming stuff I do, and if you want to see more, just tell me. I'm probably still going to give you programming stuff, though, even if you don't want it. So, but it'll be in addition. But if you want some regular programming stuff, I can certainly make that happen. Well, anyway, this is me, I guess, signing off for until the next video. But that's going to be tomorrow, so what am I talking about? Anyway, I'll see you next time.